Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Trust you all are doing great. Yes, so today we are going to be making banana bread. If you have been throwing away your overripe banana before, please now do not do so again. This video is going to open your eyes to know the best way you can enjoy your overripe banana that you have been throwing away before. So guys, do not go away, just stick around and enjoy this video. Trust me, this bread is so delicious. In fact, when I ate it, I was like, and it does not even take much time to prepare. It takes less than 10 minutes for you to put everything together and your bread is ready. Your super delicious banana bread is ready to go with your coffee, your tea. Guys, you just need to try this bread. Trust me in this one. If you try it, you want to be making it every now and then. This bread is super delicious. When I say it's delicious, it is very delicious. So just stay with me and see how I take you through the process, so that at the end of it, you're going to try it for yourself and your family members. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. This is Global Afro Food, where we bring you the best and latest recipes in town. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot for always returning to watch my video. I really appreciate. Please support my channel by liking this video. Also share your thoughts about this recipe, share your comments, and also share with friends and family so that this video can go viral. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm going to leave you now so that you can take your time to really watch this video, for you to grab every step of it so that you can make it nice for yourself. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. God bless you all. So let's get right in. Let's get started. Let's get into business, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me.